Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we expect today on our AUD, which is our Australian dollar to our US dollar. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, shall you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's start with our trend on AUD USD. We would want to know the full view, the overall trend on our AUD USD, and you clearly can see that we are on a downtrend. This is our low. This is the lower high. Markets eventually dropped to give us the lower low here. That is on the full trend. Here is the lower high, which is currently playing out. So if you're a position trader, you still want to be expecting the lower low, but not. I think the sell is not yet happening. So that means we want to see what market is currently doing, which is our current trend. But if you have to zoom it out and to see the bigger full picture, you see that AUD USD is a downtrend. But since we want to predict what market will be doing for the day, we would have to go to our current trend. Now, if you take a look at this current trend, we are currently pushing up to the upside. Our previous current trend was a downtrend move. Market was giving a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we are now on an uptrend move. So this is our high, low, higher high, higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low. So our next movement on AUD USD will be another higher high. So which market is currently giving us that movement. So our next forecast should come to a level of 0.65715. 0.65715. That should be our next target on AUD USD. Once it taps that target, I'll give you guys updates on what markets will likely do next.